Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of a Bosch GWG12V20S V23 brushless right angle die grinder. Provides tool, battery and speed status as well as 5 speed options at your fingertips. Offers small grip size for easy grinding in tight areas. Helps to reduce fatigue and maximize productivity. Allows for quick and easy accessory swaps. You can also change its battery easily. Keeps the user in control in a variety of grinding applications. Provide for uniform performance even at the highest speed levels. Maximizes battery runtime in extended applications. This grinder can clean the rust on the iron very easily. With this grinder, you can also easily clean the paint on the iron. It's a small grinder, but it's very powerful. The IT is designed in such a way that it can be ground easily even in a small space. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.